Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Outdoors with Don and Bob. Had a few jobs to do this morning, but I always bring the fishing rods along. Thought I'd hit a couple of these smaller lakes, see if I might be able to pick up a few fish before it gets too hot. We're supposed to be into the upper 90s again today, so let's get it done in the morning. Stick with me. Let's see if we can find a few fish this morning. Keep this one on. Got a horsing through all the moss to boot. There we go. Get around there, get a hold of him. Got him. Just hooked him. There we go, guys. Not real big, but it's a fish, right? There we go. Thought he was gonna. Whew. There we go. Just nice in the corners. Look at there, real nice. Not a small one. Guys, I thought I'd take a minute. Nothing says you've seen some of my other videos how I'm using a worm. Basically, I'm just Texas rigging it weedless like you would normally work. But above that, I put a skirt on, which is basically just a chatterbait skirt. I got a weight in front of that, and I'm pegging the whole thing down with a bobber stop. So that's the rig I'm using. Basically, I put the skirt on. I think it just gives a little different presentation to the standard worm you see most people fishing. So we've been catching fish the last few weeks with it, so it must work. There we go. Tell you what, guys, I just stepped up. I was going to throw a worm. He flipped it. But I saw him chasing some shad. There they are right there. So I put the worm down quick and I grabbed a chatterbait. Hooked one right off the bat. Let's see if this keeps working. There we go. I got one now. Not a very big one though. Little one. But it's fish, right? It's a little one. Let's see if there's some more. There we go. Right there. A little bit better fish than the last one. Oops. Get in the water, buddy. There you go. Okay, guys. Initially, I was going to throw a worm out here. Then I saw all those bass chasing the shad and had to switch to chatterbait. So now let's go back to the worm the way we anticipated when I first stepped up here. See if we can do any good with that. There we go. There we go. The worm works too. He hit that pretty good too. Boy, that's not by much. But we got him. Let's try that and see if there's another one, huh? There we go. Got that one. Oh man. Now we got something a little better. Let's hope we keep this one on. Keep that line tight on the jump. Oh, still, buddy. There we go. There we go, with the worm. There we go, guys. That's not too bad, huh? Don't look too bad. Bigger than the last couple anyway. Well, guys, I think we're gonna call her good. Starting to get a little warm out here. So it didn't do too bad. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, had him and lost him. Well, that's the way that one works, doesn't it? Anyway, as I was saying, wasn't too bad of a day. We picked up a few. Plastic worm worked for a couple. Chatterbait worked for a couple. So not bad for just working the bank and seeing what you can come up with. Anyway, thanks for sticking with me. Subscribe to our channel. Like our Facebook page. That way you can keep up with what we're doing. See you again next time.